Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So some of you guys might be wondering how I got all these PKG games on my PS4, as they have seen in some of my previous videos. So in this one, I will show you guys how you can easily download and install PKG games to your PS4 using a PC or phone. By the way, please give this video a thumbs up, also subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed, and comment down below if you have any questions bordering you. So first you need to install these files on your PC or phone. So before we even install the downloader apps, first go to google.com, I will also link everything in the description below. So if you get to google.com, search or type your console's name in 3 letters, an example is PS1, if I was like using a PS1 console, then I will type PS1 and I will add archives, and that is it. So just type your console's name and add archives, so if you are done with it, then leave a space and add PKG as I have done, then hit go. Please note, Google does not want links or sites to be shared 100% in a demonstration like this, so I cannot give any more details about how or where you can get the files, but we shall continue with our demonstration. So you can either choose the media file or the one file link as your download source. So first we shall install the JDownloader app and the Internet Download Manager. Please, if you are using any other device, it will work as well. It does not matter the device you are using, the downloader supports all other platforms like Android, macOS, etc. So before you install the JDownloader app, its installation requires data, so you must make sure your PC is connected to your Wi-Fi or network. So you can either choose the MediaFire link or the one file link as your download source. So with the MediaFire link, you can use the Internet Download Manager to download the files. All you have to do is to just right-click on the download button or the link and scroll down to download with IDM. So at the same time you can also copy the link and paste it to the JDownloader, and it will also download as well. So you can either copy all your download links to the JDownloader or use the Internet Download Manager. So after you have copied the link, go to the JDownload and click on File, then scroll down to add Analyze Text with Link. So if you click on it, you will see that the file has already been added, but if you are not sure, you can highlight and paste the link on the previous one and scroll to continue. So after that you will see the total size of the file, and you just have to click on the Start button and that is it. So the file will look like this, after it has completely downloaded, so all you have to do is to extract it into PKG file, but if you do not have 7-Zip or WinRAR app installed on your PC, I will link some in the description below. So if you do not have WinRAR app installed on your PC or phone, it will not appear like this, so please make sure to install WinRAR. So you can right-click on the file and scroll down to extract here, if you have enough space on your desktop, but if you do not have enough space on your desktop, you can also choose to extract it somewhere else. So after extracting the file, you will finally arrive having the file in PKG format. Now it is time for us to copy our PKG files to the root directory of our USB. Please, if you are on phone, then you will use the USB to Android cable, or the OTG cable to connect your USB to your phone. So if the USB is not in an exFAT format, it will not work, due to the fact that most of the files are larger than 4 GB. Also the PS4 does not recognize NTFS drives, so please make sure the USB is in exFAT format. Please like the video, comment down below and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed. So with the USB to Android or phone, I will link all the details in the description below so you guys can check the process step by step. By the way, also comment.
Fucking luck! You think you This is your movie!
Useless.
Wait, boy.
Hey, you know what? Tú no te metas.
Okay.
Ya basta de hablar.
Talk about it.
You're making a mistake.
Don't listen!
Hurting me! Oh, hi! Oh, shit!
You will watch them die.
Come on!
Take it back. They've got pulsar tanks. Charge! Gotcha, asshole. Oh, shit!
Wakey, wakey.
Stop!
I warned you.
I'm infected!
Get down.
You asshole!
Shit! Go on me, you chicken shit!